Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. If you like me, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Okay, why is there a wet towel on my hair? Because I have washed my hair with this shampoo, and this is the Agate Kera Solution shampoo. First of all, let's just take 5 minutes to appreciate the packaging, the black and gold. I think this is one of the most classy combination. Nothing can go wrong if you wear black and gold. Yeah, and we are same. Okay, so this is the Agate. I don't know I'm pronouncing the brand right or not. This is Agate and Kera Solution Shampoo Pro Keratin Restore with Biotin. Now, keratin and biotin are two ingredients which are very important for our hair. Biotin is a vitamin which is mostly found in eggs and milk, I guess. Yeah, and keratin is a protein which is very essential for the growth of our hair and nails, and keratin is mostly found in yogurt, etc. So and you also get biotin and keratin supplements as well. So this shampoo has keratin and biotin. This says advanced hair fiber reconstruct infused with argan oil and ginger extracts, and this has no sulfate and parabens. So this is 250 ml in quantity, and this retails for 999. This retails for 1000 rupees. Yeah. So this is cruelty free, 100% natural and paraben free. So what this actually claims is, I'll just read it out, and this says Agatha Kera Solution Sulfate Free Shampoo works magically on your hair for total hair protection and maintenance. Infused with keratin, biotin, and argan oil, it builds up the strength, hair shine, and smoothness, and takes away the frizziness. While ginger extract takes care of controlling hair fall and new hair growth, our hair is made up of protein, and this unique formula helps your hair to regain its lost protein and give its life back while cleansing. Okay, ingredients: aqua, laurel glucoside, keratin, biotin, vitamin E, argan oil, jojoba oil, macadamia nut oil, ginger extract. So, how to use: you have to wet your scalp and take a generous amount and massage it gently on your scalp and leave it for like 5 minutes, and then you have to wash it off. And they are saying to comb your hair before using this. Okay, so I have used this and I have filmed it also while using this. I have filmed this, and this actually, there is this open and stop kind of a button. So once you open it, you can see the product. Okay, so and the fragrance is quite herbal. I mean, the fragrance is quite, if you have ever tried the Indulekha shampoo, the fragrance is somewhat like that. Yeah, so I have washed my hair with this, and how much lather this gives, I'll show it to you. So as you saw, this gives quite nice lather, and you have to keep it on your hair for 5 minutes, and then after that you can wash it, rinse it thoroughly. And currently I just washed, and my hair definitely feels very light and very, cleansed. My hair feels cleansed for sure. And I just combed my wet hair, and though you should never comb your wet hair, and I generally never blow dry my hair unless I have to go somewhere. I don't blow dry my hair, I just let it air dry naturally. So I think my hair feels really cleansed. What do you think? I think it feels cleansed. It feels nice and, you know, bouncy kind of hair. Okay, so it feels good. So I think this is a great buy. I know this is a little expensive, but this can really this is really worth the price because of all the ingredients this has. It has keratin and biotin, so this can really be very beneficial if you are facing hair problems like hair fall or hair loss. If you have, and as it is now, it's the monsoon time here in Delhi, so I guess this is the time when your hair gets frizzy and also you start losing hair. So I think this is the right time to purchase this shampoo because I think this will really work. Okay, so that was it. That was my take on Agatha Kera Solution shampoo, and you can definitely give this a try. And I'll put the link in the description box if you want to purchase this. This is non-sponsored at all. This is not sponsored. This is just for you. And yeah, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all, and do subscribe to my channel and like the video.